While having coffee with a friend, she was suddenly struck by the strange sensation of standing on an oddly familiar beach. It only lasted for 9 or 10 seconds, and she thought it best to keep the entire episode to herself. It happened again while she was tidying up her apartment, and again while she was playing the violin. It kept happening, often accompanied by a distinct lemony taste in her mouth. She started to pray again. A few weeks later, she had trouble remembering the names of simple objects. I wonder what she was thinking about on the way there. She felt a vague sense of disappointment. The encounter was without a single moment of enormous significance. It was just her and the beach. Just her. Just the beach. The sand stayed in her bed for weeks. Her dreams had never been more exotic. Maybe it was the sand. Sometimes she felt as if she was about to transcend something. She somehow thought that the tedious, uninterrupted life that awaited her was even stranger than the one she had just begun to experience. She wondered what they thought of her when she asked to keep it.